So for a whiter tint, we're going to be making use of apple, and in this apple we're going to try to extract the apple juice. Okay, we're not going to be using the concentrated apple cider vinegar, but we're going to be using this fresh apple because it's going to help to keep the mouth healthy, and the gum, it's going to protect the gum, and it's going to make the teeth whiter. And then we're going to be making use of baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Baking soda is one natural remedy that helps so much in removing plaque from the teeth. So it should be used just once in a week, okay, so you can actually protect your gum. You should not use this more than once a week. And then we're going to be adding a little bit of coconut oil so we can protect the gum and the enamel, okay. And then it's just going to get rid of bacteria and germs that is actually building the plaque up, and then it's going to freshen the breath. Then we're going to be making use of rice. Now rice is one natural remedy that is so vast. It's going to be helpful for the teeth also because it contains a whitening property that helps to whiten up the teeth. Now to make this even better, we're going to be adding up a little bit of alum, and this is going to make the treatment even better by whitening up the teeth and removing any brownness and bad breath, okay. So I'm going to first of all get the powder from the alum, okay. So I'm going to be creating it. It's actually very difficult creating because this is one strong rock. It's just like a rock. All right, so let's create it. Okay, so this quantity is gonna be okay. You can see that I'm actually bringing it really close so you guys can see. Just a little quantity, that's what we're gonna do. So we're going to be taking in half tablespoon of rice powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, then we're going to be turning in the alum, we're going to be putting in half tablespoon of coconut oil, we'll stir that, so we're going to be taking half cut of the apple, okay, and then we'll grate it to get the apple juice. And that quantity is gonna be enough. So we're going to be extracting just the juice of the apple into this mix. I'm gonna be pressing. You can see that. Okay. And after that is done, then we're gonna just stirring it to give us a friendly consistency. Hey, what up? Alright, so here is the toothpaste, the homemade toothpaste, and I have here a toothbrush. Okay, so you have to use a toothbrush that is like this. Any of your brushes, it doesn't really matter. But what matters is this, okay? So what I'm gonna do is to grab that paste, and then here it is. Now you're gonna brush your brownish teeth like that, and this smells good. Like that. Okay. Okay, so after that you have to brush your tongue with that. Okay, have to brush the inner part of your tongue. So you bring out your tongue like that, and then you brush in. Alright. Okay, so after that is done, you have to immediately wash this off. Although this particular one is friendly enough for you to use it like 2 times in a week, okay? So it's not like every other one. And ha! Aha! Aha! Okay, so that's it, guys. If you do love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and please share this video. And I'll see you soon. Bye, and fresh breath.